Hi, it's Sarah Taylor. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you a painting. It's a 20 by 20 inch canvas, and this will be the raffle item for Fluid Art Experience, which is March 14th through the 16th. That's 2025 in Dallas, Texas. There are still some seats available, so if you're interested, please come join us and paint with us and learn. The teacher lineup is awesome. We've got some really great guest artists. Information is in the link below in the description of this video. So let me just show you what I'm doing. I'm going to be working with a translucent base coat with a really interesting sort of underpainting. I will be teaching this at Fluid Art Experience along with the textured bloom technique, which I've never taught at any event before, so that'll be really cool. And then I'm getting into all sorts of different pearl techniques. I've got 2 intro classes, 2 intermediate classes, and 1 advanced class. Each class is completely unique, so even the 2 different intro classes are different content. And I hope to see you there. All right, much love. I'll get you into my studio and show you my paint. Okay, so I've got you in my studio. I pressed record a little late, but this is just some really thin indigo and quinacridone violet paint that's very watered down. And then I'm just going in with some high flow, that's red iron oxide and some titanium white, and then a little bit of iridescent gold. So I've been really intrigued once again with the translucent pearl base coat. And this is the underpainting that'll be going underneath the translucent pearl painting. A little bit of quinacridone magenta, and this is fun, you know, it's just really, really thin paint. I love the reactiveness of the high flow, and it's just kind of getting some color down, and it's just kind of a playful process. I think it's a really fun exercise just to play with just the high flow and the thin paint like this. It's quite satisfying. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this dry, and then I will show you my colors for the translucent base coat painting as well. That's a white, that's a puddle paint, that's Modern Masters Iridescent White. That is Ore by TLP. It's Ore and Harvest Gold mixed together. That's a Charbon paint, Royal Blue Light. That's Vinyasa by TLP. It's a pigment, and I mixed in some Lucas Krill Payne's Gray. And then that is Golden Yellow by TriArt. That's an old paint I had mixed up. I think it's some Australian Red Violet with some titanium white. That is Quinacridone Violet, another TriArt liquid paint. And India Yellow by TriArt. So, you know, I used to use a lot of golden fluid. I've switched a lot of my paints to the TriArt paint. I just love it. And then I did get some white base coat, and this is the white mixed with the MEEDEN paint, and then that's the translucent base coat. And then there's that underpainting after it's dried. It's really pretty. I hesitated for a moment painting over it. But I love the way this painting turns out. This is, I told you in the intro that this is the giveaway painting for the raffle at Fluid Art Experience this March in Dallas. And I'm so excited to see all my artist friends again. And the community is really just, you know, it was so unexpected to find this group of people at this stage in my life, this group of like-minded artists. It's just been an unbelievable gift. So what I did the translucent base coat. I drizzled a little bit of white base coat just on the edges where the lighter paint was, and then I'll go in with the puddle paint. And I'll just let you watch from here. I'm going to put some music on. If you have any questions about Fluid Art Experience or any of these other events that are coming up, there's some really cool lakeside retreats as well that are hosted by Fluid Art Company. And Fluid Art Co. actually also sponsors Fluid Art Experience. So kind of one big family, and we love to teach. We love to get together and have fun, and it's really a wonderful experience. So It's been a real highlight in my life being able to teach these techniques. All right, much love. Stay till the end. I'll show you the dried results, and hope you have a really beautiful day.
He's got me looking quite bad.